Hello everyone, I am Nagavelli Prasad working in TSWR Center of Excellence, Karimnagar. Today I am going to explain you a wonderful part of human anatomy, that is structure of the ear. My dear students, as we know, ear is a sensory organ which is otherwise called statoacoustic sensory organ, which helps in the balancing the body as well hearing the sound. So before knowing how it functions, we have to know its structure, its anatomy. So in this class I am going to explain you the structure of ear. So basically ear has three regions, three parts. The outer part is known as external ear, the middle part is known as middle ear, and inner part is inner ear. As simple. External ear, middle ear and inner ear. So external ear consisting of three parts: pinna, which is outer one, so pinna, and the second one is external auditory meatus, so the canal like inner cavity, external auditory meatus, and eardrum. This is eardrum, tympanic membrane. So pinna, external auditory meatus, and eardrum or tympanum, these three togetherly called, which comes under external ear. And apart from these three parts, the external auditory meatus contains hair and ceruminous glands, the modified sebaceous glands, ceruminous glands, which secrete the ear wax, which we call as cerumen. Cerumen is ear wax which prevents entering the microbes and dust particles to inside the ear. So the cerumen act as antibacterial substance also, right? That is regarding external ear. Coming to middle ear. So middle ear, this region, just look at here. So middle ear contains each middle ear has three series of bones known as ear ossicles. So respectively, the first one malleus, hammer shaped, incus anvil shaped, and stirrup shaped. So malleus, incus, stapes, this series of small bones are present inside the middle ear, which helps in the conduction of sound vibrations from external ear into internal ear or inner ear. These three ear ossicles, and there is a duct, tube which connects middle ear to pharynx, known as eustachian tube. Here you can see eustachian tube connects middle ear to pharynx, which helps in the balancing the sound, maintaining the balance of the sound. And finally, middle ear opens into inner ear with two windows, two entrances, known as oval window and round window. The stapes, which I told, the stapes is connected to oval window of inner ear, and below that a round window will be. These two windows also present in the middle ear. Middle ear connect to inner ear with two windows, oval window and round window. And finally, inner ear, the most complex part of the ear. So inner ear is a fluid-filled structure known as labyrinth. There are two labyrinths are there, bony labyrinth and membrane labyrinth. Bony labyrinth is associated to skull, and membrane is associated with epithelium. And bony labyrinth has three parts: cochlea. Here you can see the cochlea, watch spring like structure, and vestibule, which connects semicircular canals and cochlea. Vestibule, it's a middle part, and semicircular canals. See here, this is cochlea, this is vestibule, and this is semicircular canal. These three together called as bony labyrinth. So cochlea, I told you cochlea has three coiled tube-like structures. Looks like watch spring. So here if we see their internal structure, the cochlea internal structure, it has three ducts within the duct. Okay, the upper duct is a scala vestibuli and scala media and scala tympani. These three, scala vestibuli, scala villi, scala media, scala tympani, together forms a watch spring-like structure known as cochlea. Here you can see this, the internal structure. So scala vestibuli and scala media. So scala vestibuli and scala media separated with a membrane known as Reisner's membrane. Reisner's membrane, which the membrane which separates scala vestibuli with a scala media. And scala media and scala tympani is separated with basilar membrane. Scala media and scala tympani is separated with basilar membrane. And basilar membrane has a ridge-like structure where the auditory sensory cells are present, which is called as organ of Corti. The scientist named Corti. So organ of Corti is a region where auditory receptors are present, where auditory nerve, the branch, 8th cranial nerve. Just remember 8th cranial nerve, auditory branch, auditory nerve, which connects to the organ of Corti to detect the sound. And scala vestibuli and scala tympani filled with a fluid known as perilymph, and scala media is filled with endolymph. Scala vestibuli and scala tympani filled with perilymph, and scala media is filled with endolymph. And scala tympani, which is this scala tympani, is connected to middle ear with a round window. Scala tympani connected with middle ear with a round window, and scala vestibule is connected to stapes with oval window. Here you can see here this one. Here oval window, and this is the round window. And round window is a part of scala tympani, and oval window is a part of scala vestibuli. Scala vestibuli open. See here you can see this is oval window, scala vestibuli. So where step is connected, and round window is a part of scala tympani. These all three coiled structure is known as cochlea. Then coming to the semicircular canals. So here these are the semicircular canals. So three semicircular canals, one to each other in right angle. They are arranged. So semicircular canal, base of the semicircular canal, this one you can see, this is called as ampulla. So ampulla helps in this semicircular helps in the angular acceleration, and they helps in the rotation of the body. So body when rotating, so semicircular canal will help. And the middle part which connects semicircular canal and cochlea is known as, this middle part is known as vestibule. Vestibule has two parts, saccula and ampulla. Saccula, ampulla together called otolith organ. Otolith organ and semicircular canals, these all together called as vestibular apparatus. Vestibular apparatus is formed by otolith organ and semicircular canal. Otolith organ has two regions, sacculus and ampulla. So in this, saccula helps in the vertical movement when we are going uplift or up to down or down to up. So saccula will help to balance, and utricle help in the horizontal movement. So basically otolith organ helps in the linear movement. So this is regarding saccula and macula. Sacculus and ampulla both together otolith organ, and the semicircular canals and cochlea. This all together called as inner ear. This is regarding structure of ear. Thank you.